So this right here is the brand new MacBook Pro 14-inch. It has an amazing M1 Pro processor, an 8-core CPU, a 14-core GPU, and with a baseline 512 gigabytes of SSD memory. I'm very surprised that they could all fit this into a tiny professional machine, supercharged for the pros, as they say. I'm very excited to open it, so let's get into the unboxing. So right here, out of the box, when you get it delivered, it will come in this secure cardboard box, not really much, and then all you have to do is pull this pull tab. And open these flaps, and here is the beauty, the MacBook Pro 14-inch. It is quite heavy though. Oh my god, just the box itself is just so beautiful. This is the baseline model 14-inch, and my god, is it beautiful. So let's get this box out of the way, and right here is the beauty. So right here you have a pull tab like every other Apple product, and here you get all the specs of the machine. So here the pull tab, always love it. Oh my god, this is very nice. And then the pull. Oh my gosh, wow. Right here you just pull it up, and here is the 14-inch M1 Pro MacBook Pro. MagSafe charger, nicely safe, come back. User manual, power adapter, and charging brick. Let's see what you get in the manual. Is there going to be any stickers? I always love to see them. Blacked out Apple stickers. Wow, is that beautiful. That's weird. I thought that there's going to be something else here. It's just like an empty slip right here. Wow. Here it just tells you about the MacBook Pro, I guess. Oh gosh, wow. So this right here is a 67-watt power adapter. All you have to do is slide this in. It's nice to see USB-C. And right here is the MagSafe adapter. Oh, it's threaded. That is nice. Threaded power cable. That's so nice. And yes, MagSafe. And right here is the MacBook itself. And right here is another pull tab. All I have to do is just it slides out. and all that I have to do now is open the lid. And there is the MacBook Pro 14-inch. There's no more touch bar right here. It is all matte blacked out. Oh, I couldn't even see the notch line. Oh wow. Okay, so it's asking for firmware, yes. Make this your new Mac. Yep, continue. Oh, nice. Yep. Continue, Touch ID. Okay. Continue. Nice, okay. Continue. Continue. Okay, and we're in. You probably can't see because of the camera in person how good the screen looks. Oh my gosh, it nearly literally feels like an OLED display. It's that good. It is just absolutely astonishing how good this display is. Okay, and on the sides right here, so a full-size HDMI port, USB-C and SD card slot, MagSafe, USB-C, USB-C and headphone jack. It's a weird decision to put it here, but the fan ports are right here alongside the bottom on each end, like right here. And I'm gonna show you right now what accessory I'd say is the most important for a MacBook. And I'd personally say that is this. A very good sleeve and carrying case for the MacBook. It is very important that you keep it safe and also protected when you travel, so that's why I chose this. It is the TechCool carrying case for 14-inch MacBook, and it fits absolutely perfectly right here. And you also get a carrying handle with it, and you get extra storage right here, and also you could put your power brick or whatever it is in this sleeve right here. It will probably keep it very well protected when you travel, and you also get like suspension with the handle. Okay guys, so that basically covers it all on my unboxing and review on the 14-inch MacBook Pro. It is absolutely astonishing and very beautiful. So hope you enjoyed. Have a great week and see you next time.